Do you know what this is? I've been wanting these for months. You see, I flipped that up because I couldn't do it with one hand, so I did it before I got on the camera. I don't know if you can see up in there, but that's where you put the wire, and then you just close this down. And you can open and close it and reuse it. It's not like the ones you just shove in. I am so thrilled. It's going to make my life so much easier. And these go up to a 12. I have 20 amp circuits, so that is why I bought these. Awesome, awesome. I am so tickled. I'll tell you more about it later.